You know, you can use your rice cooker for a whole lot more than just cooking rice. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I prepared my moka pot coffee using my rice cooker. So this video isn't really about the method of grinding your beans or the temperature of the water you use for your moka pot. Basically, I already set it up. I did use hot water beforehand, but this time I'm going to be using my rice cooker to heat up the water. So my first attempt, I used my stovetop. The first attempt wasn't so great. The second attempt was pretty good. And now for this third attempt, so this second cup of coffee, I'm planning to use my rice cooker. This is totally impromptu. I shot this on my iPhone. So basically, I just put it in the rice cooker. I put it to the prepare rice level, so the hot level, the red level, left it on and saw what happened. So you just take a look and see how it all goes. So in essence, I really like this method. It's very simple. It's a bit faster to heat up the rice cooker than it is your stovetop, or at least my stovetop. And it's just kind of another way of doing something, another method. So again, if you want to explore this, I would recommend doing it. The coffee turned out very good. I was very impressed by it. So give it a try, or let me know. Have you ever thought of using a rice cooker or some other heating element to make your moka pot? I suggest it. It's pretty cool. Thank you for watching A Fun Times. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.